Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you a quick and effective way to clean your Apple Magic Keyboard. Over time, dust, dirt, and fingerprints can build up, so let's give those keys a fresh start. Before we begin, here's what you'll need. Please see carefully on my video screen. So guys, let's begin. Step 1. Make sure to turn off your Magic Keyboard and unplug it if it's connected. This ensures you're safe from any accidental keystrokes and protects the keyboard. Next, take a microfiber cloth and gently wipe down the surface of the keyboard. This will remove surface dust, fingerprints, and any loose particles. Now, for the more stubborn grime, take a cotton swab and lightly dampen it with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it's not soaking. Use the swab to gently clean around the edges of each key. This helps remove any sticky spots or oils. If you have compressed air, use it to spray short bursts between the keys. This helps dislodge dust and crumbs that might be stuck underneath. Just hold the can upright and use controlled bursts. Finally, take a dry section of your microfiber cloth and do one last wipe down. Make sure there's no moisture left on the keyboard. Allow it to air dry for a few minutes if needed. And that's it. Your Apple Magic Keyboard should now look clean and feel like new. Remember to do this routine every few weeks to keep your keyboard in top shape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Happy typing!